Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. So in this video, we are going to test out a new micellar water which is launched by Untitled Herbals. They are an Ayurvedic skincare brand and I absolutely love their products. I have previously reviewed some of their products in the past and I'll leave the link in the description bar or link it up here so that you can have a look at them. And this is the product that we are going to talk about today. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and this one is infused with jojoba oil, and it basically is to hydrate and soothe the skin apart from cleaning it really well. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just put this product to test. Alright, so I have foundation, concealer, liquid lipstick, a couple of powder products, mascara, a little bit of eyeshadow and eyebrow product on my face, and I guess that's a lot to test the product. So let's get started. So this is the inner packaging and the bottle is plastic, so that makes it really travel friendly as well. And now I'm just going to shake it a little bit and then I'm going to pour some of the product on cotton, and then I'm going to first remove my lipstick and then I'm going to move to my eyes and then face. So I got my mirror. Oh wow, it literally removed everything from this eye. Let's move on to the other eye now. Some more product. And this doesn't irritate the eyes as well, which is a pretty good thing. You can see it's taking every damn thing along with it. It's pretty good. I know it's gross, but yeah, it has taken down all makeup. So this is how my skin looks like. All traces of makeup is gone. I'm just going to rinse my face with plain water now, and I'm really happy how soft my skin feels and how easy it was to remove all the makeup, especially the eyes. It didn't sting my eyes at all, which is a big thumbs up. So yeah, so I'll just rinse my face real quick, moisturize and come back. So all done, this is how my face looks like. And now getting back to the product, this one retails for 400 rupees and it has some pretty interesting ingredients as well, like jojoba oil as we talked about it earlier. It has yang oil and it also has calendula extract and hibiscus extract and some other terms that I'm not really aware about. But this is based on 100% pure oils and it has no synthetic fragrance. So whatever the scent you have is of the natural oil itself, and it is a really good makeup remover for eyes and lips, of course the face as well. But I really like micellar waters which are really easy on the eyes, specifically because otherwise some of them tend to sting your eyes and I hate that feeling. So yeah, this one doesn't do that at all, and it definitely soothes the skin, definitely hydrates the skin. So it actually does what it claims. So I really like it and it's pretty affordable too. So I would definitely suggest this one if you are looking for a really good hydrating micellar water with some really interesting natural ingredients. This is the one you should go for. And yeah, that was all for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you very soon in another video. Till then, bye, take care, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, let's chat in the comment section below, and I will see you very soon.